Students, we would be discussing this question and its solution. In what ratio does the point 24 upon 11, y divide the line segment joining the points P 2, minus 2 and Q 3, 7? Also find the value of y. So what we have to find is y and the ratio. So here is the diagram, and let us suppose that the ratio is k is to 1. Now, applying the formula, the point which divides the line segment is given by its x coordinate is given by x1 into n plus x2 into m upon m plus n. Here m and n are k and 1. This is the formula written in the NCERT, but whenever the question comes to find the ratio, we would have to take the second ratio as 1. So by putting the values, we get the ratio k, which is m here. K is equal to 2:9. So the ratio becomes 2:9 because it was k is to 1. So it can be compared to 2:9. Now for calculating y, we would apply the formula of y coordinate just like x coordinate, and putting the ratio, we get y as minus 4 upon 11.